Assalamu alaikum, and man, this coin has been on fire. And in yesterday's video I told you that if you're looking for this pennant to be broken above, then you have a technical target for Pepe to eventually come up here and move to the upside. I didn't actually trade it, couldn't trade it. Once again, it's just a pump to the upside, no retest, and then just kept on moving to the upside. Similarly, I did have Pepe 2 in my eyes as well. I've made a video on Pepe 2 in the past, and I gave this technical target if you're looking for Pepe 2 to actually break above here. So basically that's almost nearly like 90% from the time I recorded the video. So it was from there to there, 112, and actually 154% move up. So Pepe 2 went even more crazy. I've been looking at Pepe community as well, but this one is looking to come down, and probably maybe even come down here to 0.226 at the moment. And before we talk about Pepe itself, there are 5 more days, actually 4 to 5 more days to close the private channel. And just for your information here, I've actually made one secret video, and I want to tell you what that video is about very quickly. And that is a 2024 2x plan. So I have 3 coins on my private that I've made a video privately, which is unlisted, it's not public, talking about which are the 3 coins that may move to the upside. And this you can message me on Discord, by the way, and you can see that this is a long term that I gave to one of my friend back in 17 June, and I said that buy some Chainlink here at $5 and hold it till 2025. I actually find it funny, but the thing is that right now Chainlink is trading at $11 from $5. So basically that's another 2x. So which coin in the next 6 months do I think may perform? And if you miss Chainlink and you're thinking which one you're going to trade, that's my research. So for that one, do message me on Twitter. It's AdamCoins_, by the way. I'm just going to leave my Twitter handle up here just a second. Alright, so that's going to be your username right over here, AdamCoins_. Just message me right there. And as far as yesterday's video goes, I do believe that now that SHIB is breaking, sorry, not SHIB, but Pepe is breaking above all these areas. So the highest you can go is what I'm about to talk about. So the highest you can go is up to 13 or 14,000 basically, because that's where you started all this resistance stuff right here. So I'm just gonna zoom in there, and I'm gonna go back to May 2023, some few months ago, and this is where you have the touches. Okay, so it started with one touch here and a move down, one touch there and a move down here, a pump back up to that line again, move down, one touch there and a move down. Okay, so the highest you may expect Pepe to go before dropping is to that line again. So this is the line again. All right, so you are sitting just very close to it, and you may start to just touch it a little bit, and this is where the highest you can actually achieve the prices if you were to go to the highest part of it. And yeah, so if I bring in the RSI again, we've talked about the RSIs as well, but still the RSI is pretty much at the resistance area. You can see right over there. Okay, so resistance here, but you still can end up having that small pump and then finally get rejected and maybe move to the downside. Now that really depends, really depends 110%. The good thing is that you broke above this demand box, but even if you come down to the demand box, I wouldn't be surprised. And the thing is that, can you actually go above here and break and retest, hold the retest, and then you're good to go to maybe 21,000 in the future. But that actually depends on the break and the retest. So that's it for this quick update on Pepe. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.